Hey Cincinnati YouTube in the world, this is the NATIGAMER Travels, back with another Frontier Airlines video. This time, we're not flying, we're unboxing. Well, sort of. My good friends over at Frontier Airlines sent me over a care package, and included in that care package was my first ever aircraft model, a Frontier Airlines A320 featuring Grizwald the Bear. Now, if you want to check out the rest of my Frontier Airlines swag, click the card up above for that unboxing. Now, if you're looking for a review of this model, I'm not doing that. There are amazing channels out there that do amazing aircraft reviews that you need to check out. Instead, I want to do a little ranting. Now, if you're familiar with my channel, you know I fly Frontier a lot. I mean, a ton. Okay, so this model will sit on my desk and it'll remind me of all the great times I've had with the airline, and of course my future travel, because there's always a Frontier Airlines flight in my future. And why is that? It really comes down to the price. I mean, that price is fantastic. Their slogan, low fares done right, it's spot on. Here's a great tip. If you're thinking about flying Frontier Airlines, the first thing you need to do is sign up for that email. Okay, go to flyfrontier.com, type in your email address. Multiple times during the week, you're going to get deals. Okay, you're going to get 50% off. You're going to get $20 one way. You might even get 99% off, 90% off. Special occasions, we're talking about $15 one way. The penny fares, oh man, you pay a penny for the fare, right? And you just pay the taxes, so it's a $15 one-way ticket. That is crazy to me. Now, there's no paid subscription with this. It's literally just give them up the email, okay? Flyfrontier.com. Give them the email and let your inbox just flood with the amazing deals. I mean, we're talking about the most witty, charismatic deals that you're going to get with all the animal puns. It is fantastic. So go sign up for that. That is free. Now, if you want more deals, you want deals on top of deals, you want these discount den special deals you're seeing in these emails that are popping up that you signed up for, you can sign up for Discount Den too. It's $49.99. That's an annual service, and essentially just means that you're going to get access to those special deals. And on top of it, they have special promotions that go on for Discount Den members, including when they extend that schedule out into the next season, you'll have first dibs with exclusive Discount Den pricing. That's one amazing model right there. Look at that. Ooh, and that logo, that Frontier Airlines. I love when I see that when I'm in Concourse A at Cincinnati CBG and I'm looking at all the planes, and then I go and I see all the Frontier Airlines Airbus A320 sitting there, sometimes a 21, maybe even a 19. Oh, hallelujah. Now, one thing I always hear about is them fees, though. Man, you done busted my ear. Trust me, it's not that bad, okay? There are seats on the plane that are $0 for seat assignment. Now, you might be sitting in the middle between two people. However, they do exist. And if you want that window or that aisle, of course, it'll be closer to the back of the plane, but we're talking about $5. That's it, okay? The biggest cost is going to be in the bags, because your carry-ons and your checked bags are going to be anywhere from $30 to $40, and we're talking one way on that. So while that can be pricey, my recommendation is twofold. Either one, get their bundles, okay? Frontier has great bundles that, do up the price a bit. However, it's the cheapest way to go. Now, if you want it to feel like you got some time to save, you got some time to, you don't have to, rush and buy it all at once, there's a way to go about it. Buy your ticket now. While it's low, it's that good price that your price point you really want. And then as you get closer towards your flight, you've saved up money for that checked bag, the carry-on bag, and then pay it before you get to the airport. That way you get the best deal, you get the cheapest price, and it don't feel like you had to come up with everything right up front. Look at this sharklet. There's a bear on a shark, if that makes any sense. One thing I've never seen on these reviews, now this is not a review, but if it was a review, it's actual footage of the real plane, the same registration, seen by the person doing the review. That's pretty cool, because of course I've seen Grizwald the Bear on an A320 at CBG Cincinnati, so I thought it'd be cool to throw it in the video. Now, if you become a Frontier fanatic like me, you do the 25 segments or the 20,000 miles, then you can get Frontier Elite status, and a lot of those fees go away. We're talking about free carry-on bags. That's right, free, okay? You get to be the first one on the plane when they call Frontier Elites, and no fee seat assignment. That means you can pick any seat on the plane $0. You can always sit in stretch seating. You can always get the recline, the extra leg room, and it's one of the most fantastic experiences and low cost flying out there. Heck, I'm just surprised you stuck around this long. I appreciate it. If you're looking for more Frontier Airlines content, you are in the right place. I'm flying Frontier all the time. If there's anything I left out or you have any questions about Frontier Airlines or aviation in general, leave them down in the comments down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. We'll see you next time on the NATIGAMER Travels.